Hello everyone. If you generate leads from Google Maps, you can watch this video. I will show you how, in 30 seconds, to generate hundreds of leads from Google Maps, fully enriched with phone numbers, emails, website information, etc. For that, we will use the new tool from AskMy.Biz, which allows, from a search by talking with the AI, to make multiple queries, Google Maps at the same time. For today's video, we will put ourselves in the shoes of a supplier looking to resell products to Italian restaurants. So, we will start the timer. Ready? Here we go. I'm looking for all the restaurants. Italian ones. In Paris 11, Lyon, and Toulouse, for example. And their contact information. Already, it has retrieved all this information. It has created queries. Google Maps. It will offer me enrichment options. Automatically. And then we just have to start it and we're off. Well, we are within 30 seconds. So there you go, I've started my campaign. It's completely asynchronous, meaning that I will actually retrieve the information. Email. I have several possibilities for enrichment, so I can retrieve information, verify emails, check if they are valid, or if they are fake emails for cold mailing. Retrieve information, the year they were created, reviews on Trustpilot, whether it's a chain. Okay. This can be interesting when I approach companies, LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever you want, and retrieve that. So there you go. I received an email. The leads are ready. So in this case, it found 269 for me from these leads. So I can either use the CSV file that is directly in my email, or I can go back to my campaign. So in my campaign, I have all the leads there as well. Each of the leads, the number of reviews, the information, the Instagrams, the type of business they do, like that. If you really want to go check the type of product they make, and contact them directly. So there you go. If you ever want to try this tool, know that you have at least 30 free leads if you sign up directly on AskMyBiz and go directly to the lead campaign tool. You just have to do exactly as I did. Know how to explain what you want, and then you wait for your leads. Now it's your turn.